What about taking about electricity?
That's nonsense. I invented electricity. Ben Franklin is the devil.
Can't believe he's out of 97.
Can't believe I told Mama that I got feelings for you.
Well, welcome to your manhood, Bobby Boucher. When we get a little more time, I'll welcome you properly.
Yes, once again, I'm not quite sure what that means, but you know, we should keep going. I told the coach that after the game was.
I was with you from 10 to 4 last night. You know.
Bobby, your mama got sick this morning. She's in the hospital.
Mama, what have I done? I'm so sorry, Mama. Doctors say they can't figure out what's wrong with her. But I know what's wrong. She got a broken heart because of me.
Oh, that's ridiculous.
Everybody else in this town turned on me at the drop of a hat. Mama is the only one who really cares if I live or die. She's my whole world. Please just leave us alone.
She'll be fine, Bobby. We better get going. God knows what the team is doing with just former Fran watching her.
I got keys.
Put on the television, Mama. The devil.
Mama, my resolution is to never hurt you again.
Bobby Boucher, all these folks are here tonight to tell you that they're sorry. That they're sorry for not supporting you when it meant the most. But you do have friends. And one of them wants to say something. Come on.
I am not what you would call a handsome man. The good Lord chose not to bless me with charm, athletic ability, or a fully functional brain.